Arithmetic
A
progression
is equal to
problems.
4.
A is equal to 4.
D is equals to -3.
D is equal to -3. Then A1 is equal to how much? A is equal to A1 is equal to 4. Then A2 is equal to A2 is equal to A plus D is equal to how much?
4 plus 3.
4 plus
Minus 3.
4 plus minus 3 is equal to how much? How much? What is 1? Minus negative 1 or positive 1?
Positive 1.
Positive 1. This is positive 1. Next A3. A3 is equal to A plus 2D is equal to 4 plus 2 into what is D? Minus 3 is equal to
-2.
minus 2. Next A4 is equal to A4 is
4
equal to
plus
A plus
3 into
3D is equal to 4 plus 3 into minus 3.
-5.
Minus
5.
minus 5. Whether it is AP or not. See?
AP. AP.
How is it? 4, 1, minus 2.
AP.
Hmm.
AP. 4
Hmm.
minus 3, 1.
Hmm.
1 minus 3, -2.
Pause it.